Hello again, class. Welcome back in your science lesson. Which lesson? This is your science class. Right, very good. Now I'm going to show you some pictures of animals, all right? And I'm going to ask you a few questions, right? Okay, let's go. Which animal is this, children? It's an elephant. Wow, great. What does an elephant do? Does it run? Does it swim? What does it do? It walks. The animal, the elephant walks. And can you keep an elephant as a pet? No, it's very difficult because it's very huge, right? You cannot keep an elephant as a pet, right? Okay, now let's go. Which animal is this? It's a turtle, right? It's a small turtle. Can you keep a turtle as a pet? Yes, you can keep it in the aquarium, right? The turtle can live in the aquarium. You can keep it as a pet. Now, which animal is this? Your favorite? It's a dog, right? And what does a dog do? It barks, right? I know it barks, but what else it does? It is the guard of your house. You can keep it in your house to guard it. If somebody comes, it start barking a lot, and everyone is scared of the dog, right? So you can keep this animal as a pet. Yes, yes, you can. Okay. Now, which animal is this? It's a ladybird, right? And it's very tiny. Can you keep it as a pet? You have it in your gardens, right? Sometimes they are crawling all around your gardens, right? But you cannot keep it in something, otherwise it's going to die. Okay, which animal is this, children? It's a fish, right? What does a fish do? It swims in water, right? And can you keep this fish as a pet? Yes, you can keep the fish as your pet. Very good. Okay, now what about this? Which animal is this? It's a cow. It's a fat cow. So, can you keep a cow as a pet? If you have a farm, you can keep the cow in your farm. Yes? Right. And what does a cow do? It walks and it runs also. Correct. Very nice. What about this? It's a bird. Can you keep birds as your pet? Yes, you can keep birds in the cages, right? And what are all these things drawn here? What are these things called? These are the feathers, right? These are the feathers. Do you know that are these feathers any use for us? Can we use these feathers? Yes, they are useful because we can make some clothes with these feathers. These feathers are filled inside our pillows, right, to make it more fluffy, right? So these birds' feathers are very useful for us. Same goes for this animal, the cow. How a cow is useful for us? What does a cow gives? It gives us milk, correct. The cow gives us milk and that milk we drink that. Do you drink milk in the morning? Yes. Or at night? Yes. So cow gives us milk. What else? Only milk? We can eat cow's meat also? Yes? Yes, we can eat the meat of cow also. On how this dog is useful to us. We can keep the dog as a pet and it is useful because its guards are, it takes care of our house that nobody can come in the house. So that's why we can say that the dog is an useful animal. It helps us in protecting our house. Birds are useful because their feathers are used in our pillows and in some clothes also. What about a turtle is also like turtle, we can keep it as a pet animal, right? So today, what we are talking is, we are talking about the usefulness of animals, how different animals are useful for us, right? Like I have shown you how dog is useful, how birds are useful. We can use their feathers, right? and how this cow is useful for us, right? Are there any animals which are useful for us? Yes, they are loads of animals. Like what? Okay, let's share. I'll share a picture with you, and in that picture, you can see how the usefulness of different animals, the uses of animals. Can you see the picture here? This is a picture of a cow. You can see cow gives us milk, like I've already told you, and we can also eat the meat of a cow. The next picture is of a chicken, right? The chicken is useful for us. How the chicken is useful? Because we can get the eggs from chicken and we can eat the meat of chicken, right? And which animal is this next to chicken? It's a sheep, right? And how sheep is useful? Because from the skin of the sheep we can make wool. Wool is made from the sheep's skin, and we can also eat the sheep's meat, right? So all these animals are very, very useful. They are useful for us because they helps us in different ways. Do you understand? Now, if you have your book with you, you open page number 14, and here you have to write down yes or no, part 3, question number 3. Now, there are some questions. I'll ask you one by one. Yes, Neha, do birds crawl? No. Why? Because birds can fly. Yes. So the answer to this is no. Very good. Monkeys climb tree? Yes, Neha? Yes, they do climb trees. Okay. Now it's Ali's turn. Frogs swim in water? Yes, frogs, they swim in water. Seahorses run? What's a seahorse actually? You know, seahorse is a fish, right? It's a fish. It swims in water. It doesn't look like a fish, although, but it swims in water. So, seahorses run? No, they don't run. They swim. Okay, what about lions? The third last one, lions eat grass. Remember what type of animals are lions? They are omnivores, right? They eat meat also, they may eat vegetables also. So sometimes when lions are very hungry, or sometimes when lions are not feeling well and they don't have anything to eat, so they eat grass, right? So lions, they do eat grass. So you are going to put yes over here. Very, very quickly in 1 minute, do this work. 1, 2, and 3. Start. Stop now. You have done it. Well done. We have already discussed this topic in the class, so you can easily do it. So what is this about? This was about the usefulness of animals. Are there any other animals which are useful to all? We have said goat is useful because sheep is useful because we can make wool from sheep skin, and sometimes some people also like eating sheep's, right? The meat of sheep, same goes for goat. People like eating goat meat, right? So it is useful in the way because they give us food. In the same way, cow's meat is also eaten. So cow also gives us food, like it gives us its meat and it gives us milk also, and milk is very, very important, right? Same goes for chicken. Chicken, we can eat chicken's meat, right? You love chicken? Yes, I love chicken too. So chicken gives us meat, and what else chicken gives us? Yes, it gives us eggs, right? So we eat chicken's eggs. Same goes for dog. How dogs are useful, although we don't eat dog's meat, they protect our house, they protect our area. Wherever we are going to put the dogs, they are going to protect that area, whether it is a house, whether it is any factory, something like that. So they are used for protection, for our safety, for our protections. Any other things that animals are useful? So you can see we cannot keep a lion as a pet, we cannot keep an elephant as a pet because they are very huge, right? But they are animals, different animals. But there are some other different animals which are useful for us, like we have already discussed it. Now remember children, these animals are, since the animals are living things, So we should take care of them. We should provide them the basic needs, right? Their needs. What are their needs? Their food, water, proper shelter. Like if we are going to put the animals, keep the animals as our pet, we should take care of those pets because you take care of their food or whatever, where they live, like birds. I've shown you birds. Birds lives in cage. We can have birds in cages. Parrots are used as pet, which are we keep on in cages, right? But we should take care of these animals, right? In the same way, birds' feathers are used, I have told you, in pillows also, in some clothes also, right? So they are useful in that way also. They are useful as we can keep them as a pet so that we take care of them. Some children likes to play with them. So they are all very useful things, right? Now, I'm going to ask you few riddles about the animals. You have to guess the riddles and then you are going to answer. Ah, the first one. I am very fat. I give milk. You can also eat my meat. Who am I? Who am I? I am a, yes, Ali, great. I am a cow. Great job. Very good. Okay, next one. I am very cute. I am mostly in white color and you can make wool from my skin. I am a sheep. Great job. I am a sheep. Now the last one. I am of black, white, brown, and red color. I lay eggs, and my babies are called chicks. Who am I? Yes, I am a chicken. Wow, great job, class. I am so happy for you all. So happy. So that means that you have understood how animals are useful, right? And for your homework, I'll be posting it on portal as well. But for your information, I'm telling you that you are going to color these. You love coloring? Yes? I also love coloring. So you are going to to color these animals, color them nicely. And this is page number 13. I'll be posting it on portal as well. So you just have to color these pictures and then show me your homework. Okay, children? All right. See you in the tomorrow in your next class. Bye bye.